Okay, so this piece here slides up underneath. If I just go watch my video in backward, oh, I think I just got a package. Silly interior parts off. A package from Anderson Ford Motorsports. You look at this, the Trick Flow 2500-100 spring kit. So this is, I'm going to be doing the spring kit install on Jim, and I'll be documenting that for you guys of how to do that or how not to do that. You know, that's kind of how it works on my channel. At least tell you what not to do. Oh, sweet! Now put something in there to Donnie B. Look at that. Now I didn't ask for a shirt, and I think Donnie B just hooked me up with a t-shirt here. Oh, see that? I have to look at the screen. There we go. Thank you. Make sure to card his channel. Donnie B works at Anderson Ford Motorsports. I got a, see, look, it's sticky right here. Well, my hands don't work because I've been sanding too much, but it's sticky, so it's a sticker. And what we've been waiting for here, high speed, low drag, hot rod go-getter. Now, I got these because Neil Mustangs, Dan at Neil Mustangs, said this is what he uses. This is his upgrades for the factory heads. And he did a dyno run of before and after with these springs, and I forgot how much he got, but of course I can always put that up in text. That's what you get as you're looking crossways at it. Got the keepers right here. Got the other keepers here. Now one is going to be for the exhaust valve and one's going to be for the intake valve. This Ford and everyone else thought it'd be cool to have a rotator or whatever nonsense on the exhaust valve. So got shims. Looks like they are color coded to which ones they are. If not, I can always break out the caliper. Got locks. Oh, ho, ho, sweet. I didn't know they come with valve seals. I was looking on Rock Auto and everywhere else of where to get valve seals when I do this job. They come with them, and these are the good ones right here. This is the ones I was going to get and pay extra money for it. You got springs. I'm from the South, and you know, springs. It's got A in it. What I'm going to go do when I do this video, you'll see the trick I'm going to do. Back to silly interior stuff.